Okay, we've been here for about, that is me in the red Opel, have been here for about 20 minutes now. Actually, maybe even longer. I wonder what the weather's like in Florida right now. I can't understand why we're not moving, but all those other cars are coming towards us. They're moving. So somebody must be stalled. Or just they don't want to go through this. Let's keep our fingers crossed here. Hopefully we can get out of this. It's pretty violent. I don't know if this camera can pick up the power of that wind, but it's blowing. It's got to be blowing at least 50 miles an hour. At least, if not more. Probably more like 60 or 70. This could be a hurricane in Florida. This could be classified as a hurricane. I think the winds are strong enough. Anyway. Hope to get going pretty soon here.